guys, after many days we are back with a new motivational topic. Today I pose a question to you all. The question is, are you really happy with what you are in life, or you're just content or satisfied with it? There is an 80-20 rule to decide this. Now what is this 80-20 rule? It says simply that most of the individuals, और बहुत सारे लोग जिनको मैंने पर्सनली भी ये देखा है कि they have various aspirations in life. ठीक है, बहुत सारे चीज़ें जीतना चाहते हैं ज़िंदगी में, बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है, जो सबसे बड़े इशू है, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहते. ठीक है, because there is a reason which is a very strong point, the risk of failure. How will we be able to handle the failure? What will the locality or the society say about us if we fail? Now this failure prevents us from seeing the 80% of our potential. Now what is this 80-20 rule that is mentioned in the caption? This says that हम अपनी पूरी जिंदगी फोकस करते हैं उस चीज को पाने के लिए जो लोग हमसे चाहते हैं. लाइक पेरेंट्स ने बोला ये कोर्स कर लो, सीए कर लो, सीएस कर लो या यूपीएससी कर लो, तो हमने कर लिया. जो हमारी अपनी इच्छा है या सोच है या पैशन है, उसको हम फॉलो नहीं करते. एंड दैट इज दैट 80%. क्यों नहीं फॉलो करते, उसका रीजन क्या है? इट सीम्स डिफिकल्ट. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, मैं बचपन में क्रिकेटर बनना चाहता था. ठीक है, दैट वाज द 80% गोल दैट आई हैड इन लाइफ. ठीक है, कि मेरे को क्रिकेटर बनना है. एंड टिल डेट आई फील दैट आई शुड हैव डन दैट, बट व्हाई डिडंट आई डू इट? It is the reason why I'm making this video today. Because I was scared. I committed on YouTube that I was scared. I was scared of failure. I was good at the sport, but I was still scared. I was scared that if tomorrow I fail in it and I'm not able to achieve a livelihood, who will look after the family? Who will look after myself? How will I look after myself? That is the thought that I have behind it. So I got into professional courses. Later I realized that this time around, if I feel doing something, I'll do it. Like today, I am into teaching. I don't know 5 years from now whether I'll be successful or not, but I'm still doing it. Why? Because even after 5 years, if I fail, I'll be happy that it was my decision. Now the 80% of your life will always be difficult because these are the dreams that you need to follow. But the 20% of the life is the more easier part. And when you reach this 20%, you get a job, you get a good pay, you start thinking, and this is how our mind is programmed, that we start thinking कि यही तो चाहिए था जिंदगी में, बस यही तो चाहिए था. नहीं दोस्तों, वो आपको नहीं चाहिए था. उसमें बस आप कंटेंटेड हो, आप सैटिस्फाइड हो, खुश नहीं हो. सो द मैसेज विच आई वांट टू गिव यू फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो इज वेरी शॉर्ट वीडियो. आई वांट टू गिव यू अ मैसेज इज कि हमेशा ये मत सोचो कि खुशी जरूरी है, मैं मानता हूं, लेकिन खुशी लॉन्ग टर्म जरूरी है, शॉर्ट टर्म में नहीं. तो शॉर्ट टर्म में फोकस क्या चीज पे होना चाहिए सर? शॉर्ट टाइम पे आपका फोकस ना एफर्ट पे होना चाहिए. और अगर उस 80% को रीच करने के लिए आपने एफर्ट किया ना, तो दोस्तों इतना भी मुश्किल नहीं है. हाँ, हो सकता है आप फेल करें, बट हु डजंट फेल? Until unless you fail, you won't be able to enjoy the happiness which you get from success. Success is always better when it is tasted after a failure. You will value it more. And remember always, this is a very good saying that I've heard somewhere, I'll quote it to you, that you will never learn anything from your success, but the failure is the best teacher. You learn through your failures, that you don't have to repeat this again and again. So the message which I want to give you from this video is, don't be afraid to reach what you want to reach. Try, work hard, wake up every morning, have a goal set that this is what I want to achieve in life. In my last video, I had a comment, a person saying that I don't know how to achieve my goals because I'm not able to set goals. I'll tell you one trick that I do every day. The morning I wake up, I make a schedule for the day that these are the things I want to do. Either write it on a piece of paper or write it on your phone. Remember, it should have a checklist. As the time passes by, whatever the time you have allotted for a particular activity, as soon as it gets completed, please check it in. That will give you happiness. At the end of the day, if you're not able to complete 4 out of 6 goals, you know you're not doing good. And that guilt will make you perform better the next day. So that is how you should be doing your goal setting. And remember, short steps will always reach to bigger milestones. So keep trying. The message of the video is keep trying, keep chasing your dreams. Don't follow what someone else gives you. Now stay happy, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.